iCOSATU KwaZulu Natal ibambene ngobhongwane neANC kweliphondo. Lemanyano ityhola amagosa eANC akurhulumente ngokusebenzisa gwenxa amandla olawulo xa egxotha abasebenzi abaqikelelwa ku-400 kumasipala kunye nowaseNew-khasela.
Umasipala waseNew-khasela uxoshe izisebenzi ezingu-223 ngonyaka odlule. Uzisola ngokukhwabanisa amamiliyoni amarandi zithi zisebenze ama-overtime.
They said a month we're paying over 5.8 million. An example is a worker who claim workers, not a worker, many workers who claim to have worked 100 hours of overtime. Now we work 100 hours of overtime, it means we would work every day, 24 hours, 365 days a year, you are working 24. That is not possible.
iCOSATU ithi izobhikishela uhulumeni wesifundazwe ngokuxoshwa kwalabasebenzi.
The Special Executive Committee of KwaZulu on Tuesday this week has resolved to embark in a protest action, suspending our participation in any boardroom engagement with the African National Congress.
iANC ithi izohlangana neCOSATU ukuze izwe ngalezi khalo zayo. SABC News eThekwini.